What's the meaning of airbase? Airbase. 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 An airbase is a military installation used for the operation of military aircraft. It may include facilities for housing personnel, servicing and maintaining aircraft, storing munitions and other equipment, and providing various forms of support. Airbases can be temporary or permanent, and can be used for a variety of purposes, including combat missions, training exercises, and humanitarian efforts. These installations play a critical role in modern warfare, allowing for rapid deployment of air power and effective response to threats posed by hostile forces.